Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the SSL version of Cyper mismatch Firefox. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and update your browser. So you could do that by simply going for the three lines on the top right corner, and then over here you would just simply go for the help, and here you will have an option about Firefox. So select this one and it will automatically try to find the latest version, and if there is any available, you will have an option to download it up. And now if you have the latest version and it's still showing up, what you could try to do is try to check your settings, date and time. So go for the settings, and then over here on the settings you could go ahead and go for the search bar at the top and search for time, and make sure your date and time is on automatic. Sometimes if you have an inaccurate date and time, it will have those problems. Now another option is you could utilize the search bar over here and search for internet options. Now here on the internet options, you could go for the content, and here on the content, as you can see, you will have an option clear SSL state. So sometimes if you click on this one, it will clear the SSL cache, and mostly this can fix your issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Thanks for watching.